Hey guys, we're back with episode 2, airbag in the shop truck. Today we're going to try to get these C-notches taken off. Right here, get these pulled off and get our 10-inch step notches put on. And then we can start doing our 4-link and getting it bagged. So first things first, we're going to level the frame, get it nice and level both ways, front to back, side to side. That way, when we get it all welded together, it's not tweaked at all. Okay, we got the frame sitting on jack stands. The problem is the frame's not level, and that's due to the shop floor being off. So the left side of the frame, as you can see, is higher than the right side. So we're just going to take some wood shims and stick them between the jack stand and the frame to bring the side of the frame up a little so it's level across. Let's get that done real quick. Got the wood shims in, and as you can see, the frame is perfectly level. So now we'll go to the back and get it done to match. Okay, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to pull these C-notches off real quick. We'll clean the frame up, start welding. Notches off. This is what we're replacing them with, 10-inch step notches, 3/8 thick. So next step is get the frame all cleaned up, get all the rust and scale off, get the paint off, get it ready for weld. You definitely want to wear a respirator when you're doing this. You don't want to breathe any of this shit in. So let's get started. Okay guys, when you're prepping the frame for welding, you can use butter bunch of different kinds of tools, grinding wheels, wire wheels, but I prefer the flap disc. It doesn't dig in like a grinding wheel, but it cleans a lot better than a wire wheel. So anytime I'm doing metal prep for welding or cleaning up welds, I use a flap disc. So let's get it done.
With their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns in your head, they are dying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head,
They're all done, cleaned up, both sides. Okay, next what we want to do is find the center line of the axle. Use a level and a paint marker. We'll set it on the center of the axle tube and then level. So right there's the center. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this framing square put this right in the center. Like so. And on my notch, I've already found the center and used a square to line that out. Shit. Throw this on the other side. Nice and straight, like so. Okay guys, we're ready to weld. We're going to use the Miller-Matic 211 MIG machine. I've got it all set up. We've got it level front to back. And then we've also got it level up and down with the axle center line. We're just going to go ahead and tack everything together. We're not going to final weld anything until both sides are done and everything's level. And everything's square corner to corner, because the last thing you want to do is have to cut all your welds apart. So let's go ahead and start welding. Other side on, we're going to check level this way, We'll use a square and check squareness on both sides before we tack weld anything.
What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie.
So what we're going to do when we weld this top plate in is we're going to butt the inside corners together like that so you can fill that whole channel full of weld. You don't want to butt them together like that. You want the inside to the inside. So let's go ahead and get these welded.
All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden move. You don't know the half of the abuse. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden move. You don't know the half of the abuse. Yeah, welcome to the room of people who have rooms of people that they love one day docked away. Just because we check the guns at the door doesn't mean your brains will change from hand grenades. You'll never know the psychopath sitting next to you. You'll never know the murderer sitting next to you. You'll think how'd I get here sitting next to you. But after all I said, please don't forget. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden move. You don't know the half of the abuse. We don't deal with outsiders very well. They say newcomers have a certain spell. You have trust issues not to mention. They say they can smell your intentions. You'll never know the freak show sitting next to you. You'll have some weird people sitting next to you. You'll think God I get here sitting next to you. But after all I said, please don't forget.
Okay, we're gonna get ready to cut this out. Some of you guys might be thinking, watching this video, that guy's a fucking idiot. He's not wearing safety glasses. And you'd be correct. I have every piece of safety equipment you'd ever need here, and I never wear the right shit, but we're gonna put a pair of safety glasses on.
Tried to warn you just to stay away, and now they're outside ready to burn. It looks like you might be one of us. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. My lover's got humor. She's the giggle at a funeral. Knows everybody disapproval. I should've worshipped her sooner. If the heavens ever did speak, she's the last true mouthpiece. Every sun is getting more bleak. A fresh poison each week. We were born sick, you heard them say it. My church offers no absolute. She tells me worship in the bedroom. The only heaven I've been sent to is when I'm alone with you. I was born sick, but I love it. Command me to be well. Amen. 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 Take me to church. I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your life. I'll tell you my sins and you can talk me unite. Offer me that deathless death to God. Let me give you my life. Take me to church. I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your life. I'll tell you my sins and you can talk me unite. Offer me that deathless death to God. Let me give you my life. If I'm a beacon of the good times, my lover is sunlight. Keep the kindness on my side. She demands a sacrifice. Drain the whole scene, get something shiny, something meaningful to make course. That's a fine looking high horse. What you got in the stable? We belong to something faithful. Life is crazy, life is plenty. This is hungry war. Take me to church. I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your life. I'll tell you my sins and you can talk me unite. Offer me that deathless death to God. Let me give you my life. Take me to church. I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your life. I'll tell you my sins and you can talk me unite. Offer me that deathless death to God. Let me give you my life.
Whew. It's hot. Time to cut this side of the frame out, get it boxed in, and we'll final weld everything. Be done for part 2. So let's get it done. Okay guys, so we're going to go through and check all our measurements before we final weld this and make sure it's square and level You don't want to get it all final welded to find out your truck's going down the road like it's had a fucking stroke. So we'll get this all squared up, get it final welded. I'll show you guys the finished product, and then and that'll be it for this episode.
I wish I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice that sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears will shrink, but I'm insecure and I care what people. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when our mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when our mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. We're stressed out. Sometimes a certain smell would take me back to when I was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from? I make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it, probably only sell one. See my brother, cause we have the same nose, same clothes, homegrown as home sold from Greek we used to roll. But it woke me mind us up and nothing really mattered. Out of student loans and free at home, we all would take the ladder. But my name's Blurry Face and I care what you think.
Well, we're fucking done, guys. All finished welded. Maybe tomorrow or the next day we'll put a crossbar in so we can get some shocks hooked up. But that's as far as I'm gonna get tonight. I am fucking worn out. It's hot. I'm drenched in sweat. Another thing, I don't promote products unless I've tried them. And these step notches were awesome. They fit great. They're a great product. And I got these from Malco Industries out of Washington State. Check them out. They plasma cut. They deal with air ride, wiring, patch panels, all kinds of shit you guys can get. It's time for cold beer. You guys are fucking awesome.